Everyone, sorry it's a bit noisy. This is Sunil from R Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're on a Colorbond roof clean. Look at the mould under this, where all the mould has been growing because of the dampness from the fern. We're using hot water at pressure. Let me show you what we can achieve. So, just so you understand, hot water delivers unparalleled results, especially on this kind of mould. You will not get these results with cold water. So, the hot water just cuts through the mould like butter. You know, so it's a beautiful thing. And if you do have a roof like this, then you really do need someone like us who's got hot water at pressure. Okay, I hope that's been helpful, and certainly we're looking forward to delivering some great results for this customer. Give us a call if we can give you a quote. I hope you enjoyed the video.